Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we pit products against each other in a no-holds-barred cage match of consumerism. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two titans in the arena. On the left, we've got the Creality K1C 3D printer, and on the right, the Clog-free 2024 new version Creality K1C 3D printer. Two K1Cs, one epic showdown. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes our wallets cry: the price. The Creality K1C is coming in hot at $699. That's right, folks, just shy of 7 Benjamins. Meanwhile, the Clog-free 2024 new version Creality K1C is priced at $599. That's a whole $100 cheaper. You could buy a lot of filament with that extra cash. Or, a small island in the middle of nowhere. Both of these bad boys boast a supercharged printing speed of 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per square second. That's 12 times faster than your average 3D printer. We're talking flash-level speed here, folks. If you blink, you might miss the entire print job. So no clear winner here. Both are faster than my morning coffee run. Now, let's talk extruders and nozzles. The Creality K1C has a clog-free direct extruder with a tri-metal unicorn nozzle. Yes, you heard that right. Unicorn. This thing is so magical it could probably print a rainbow. On the other hand, the Clog-free K1C also sports a clog-free direct extruder and a durable steel-tipped copper nozzle integrated with a titanium alloy heat break. So really, both of these are like the Swiss Army knives of 3D printing, minus the corkscrew. Both machines have hands-free auto-calibration. Just give it a tap and walk away. It's like having a butler for your 3D printer. No more frustrating leveling tests with paper. Both of them make it so easy, it's like they're saying, "Relax, we got this." Here's where things get futuristic. The Creality K1C sports an AI camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. It's like having a security camera for your print jobs. The Clog-free K1C, however, ups the ante with an AI LiDAR system that scans the first layer and an AI camera that recognizes spaghetti failure. Yes, spaghetti failure, because who wants their 3D printer to turn into an Italian chef in the middle of the night? Cooling systems. The Creality K1C features dynamically balanced print head fans to reduce vibration. Less wobble, more gobble. Wait, that's Thanksgiving. Anyway, the Clog-free K1C has an upgraded cooling structure with 3 different fans to ensure your prints come out cooler than a polar bear's toenails. It's like a mini Arctic breeze for your 3D models. When it comes to user experiences, the Creality K1C 3D printer has a mixed bag of reviews. Some users have had smooth sailing with no issues, while others faced problems with defective parts and initial setup. On the flip side, the Clog-free 2024 new version Creality K1C has been praised for its stability, ease of use, and affordability, despite some technical hiccups that users managed to work around. So which K1C should you buy? Both printers are like superhero twins with slightly different superpowers. The Creality K1C is packed with features and a fancy unicorn nozzle, but it's a bit pricier. The Clog-free K1C offers a lot of bang for your buck with some extra AI smarts and a $100 discount. Ultimately, the choice is yours. But remember, no matter which one you'll choose, you're stepping into the future of 3D printing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Let us know in the comments which printer you'd go for and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy shopping, and may your prints always be perfect.